San Juan Skyway is a 233-mile loop in southwest Colorado. This road is ideal for a fantastic motorcycle ride, taking you up into the Rocky Mountains with some incredible, beautiful scenery and some great twisty roads. I had never even heard of the San Juan Skyway until Michael sent me the picture of the loop, as it is called, that popped up at the beginning of this video. We start out this ride leaving Durango, Colorado, as many do, as it provides a great location to excellent food, plenty of hotels, and some beautiful RV parks. Headed north on Highway 550, also known as the $1 Million Highway, we head for the towns of Silverton and Ouray after a brief stop at the Molas Pass Outlook. This ride will take you up over Red Mountain Pass, which has the most amazing curves and dramatic scenery and drop-offs along the roads, eventually taking you up to Telluride when you turn left at Ridgeway, and down towards Dolores, and if you make the full loop towards Cortez, Colorado, and back on Highway 160 into Durango. This ride will definitely take up most of your afternoon, and if you have time, I highly recommend off of 160 making the ride up into Mesa Verde National Park, as it is historically and visually a stunning ride in itself. Silverton, Colorado. This fantastic is this right here.
amazing. Look at that. Don't fall off. Into Ouray, Colorado. Incredible. Absolutely gorgeous. So we just turned left on 62 from Ridgeway. We are just north of Ouray, and we are headed towards Telluride as the scenery has changed quite a bit. So we are bypassing Telluride, I believe. And we are going to just head on down the road. Mountain Village Telluride Ski Resort.